All right, guys, I want to do a quick review on one of my favorite contraptions in the kitchen, the air fryer. I'm sure you've already heard of these or probably have one, but if you don't, just know that it is an absolute game changer. I've been making the best wings, French fries, breakfast potatoes, chicken tenders. You can make everything in here. You can do steaks. You can do everything. And this one's really nice because it's really easy to use. So when you turn it on, there's only a few buttons. If you're reheating, dehydrating, roasting, or air frying, I pretty much only use the air fryer. But you click that, here's where you set the temperature. And to find the temperature what you want, you can kind of play around with it, or you can Google. They have a million recipes. You put the time, whatever the time is, and then you just click start, and it starts right away. It's really easy to use, self-explanatory. Here's the tray, which is really nice. It's a nice non-stick, and this pops right off, so you can clean each one of these individually. You don't have to worry about getting this wet. You wash it, and then you dry it a little bit. But this is nice, so any of the oils or the waters just spill right down in there. Really compact. I like the size. The forecourt's nice. And again, they say that you should only cover the ground, the bottom a little bit with stuff. I've piled stuff in here and it's cooked fine. It might take a little bit longer. Always make sure you're shaking it, but it's super self-explanatory, really easy to use, reheats food really well, like for delicate stuff like burritos or fried shrimp. It does a really good job at reheating where it actually gets it all evenly hot and doesn't burn the outside and have the inside cold. So really awesome thing. There's just nothing I don't like about this. Yeah, it's a great thing. It's a great addition to your kitchen. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.